one of two problems with my speed fighter. That's the plug obviously. And as you can see, there's no air filter. Inside there, I'll show you probably. I've got the battery in, but I can't see nowhere for the regulator to go. And there's these two cables right here, and they're just snapped. I don't see any place the regulator to sit. The regulator's sitting at the moment, because I don't know where it goes, in my boot, right there. So I have the regulator, but it won't go up, because I can't see where it goes. Over to the next problem. That's all it does. That's all it always does. It won't start.